DeepSeek V3 Editor. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into DeepSeek V3, the latest open source AI model that's making waves in the AI community. I'll walk you through everything you need to know about this model, its capabilities, and how you can use it with tools like Editor. Plus, I'll share some exciting benchmarks and pricing. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about DeepSeek V3. This model is a 67.1 billion parameter model built on a mixture of experts architecture. What does this mean? Essentially, the model is made up of multiple smaller models, each specialized in handling specific tasks. When you send a prompt, it's routed to the expert best suited to handle it. DeepSeek V3 has 37 billion activated parameters, meaning each expert is about 37 billion in size. The model is trained on a massive 15 trillion tokens, and the best part, it's open source with a lenient license, so you can even use it for commercial purposes. This is a game changer for developers and business looking for powerful AI tools without the hefty price tag. So, how does DeepSeek V3 perform? In benchmarks, it might or even beats models like Claude Sonnet and most tasks. That's impressive for an open source model. It's built on the same architecture as DeepSeek V2, but with some key upgrades. One of the standout features is multi-token prediction, which is similar to speculative decoding. This speeds up interface times by up to 2 times, making the model much faster than its predecessors. If you have used DeepSeek before, you will notice the difference immediately. Another big improvement is the post-training on distilled knowledge from the R1 model. This gives DeepSeek V3 enhanced chain of thoughts (COT) capabilities, allowing it to handle complex tasks more effectively. It's like giving the model a boost in problem-solving skills. Now let's talk about pricing. DeepSeek V3 is incredibly affordable. For input tokens, it costs just 0.014 per million tokens with caching and 0.014 per million tokens with caching and 0.28 per million output tokens. Even after the promotional period ends, the price remains competitive at 0.07 per million input tokens and 0.07 per million input tokens and 1.10 per million output tokens. To put that into perspective, it's about 15 times cheaper than Cloud Sonnet while delivering similar performance. That's a huge win for developers and business looking to cut costs without sacrificing quality. Now let's talk about how you can use DeepSeek V3 with tools like Editor. If you are using Editor, you can easily integrate DeepSeek by exporting the DeepSeek API key and running it with the model. Here's how you can do it. First, export the DeepSeek API key. Second, set the OpenAI base URL to DeepSeek's API endpoint. Third, start Editor with the DeepSeek model. It's that simple. To wrap it up, DeepSeek V3 is a powerful open source AI model that's giving closed source models like Claude Sonnet a run for their money. With its mixture of expert architecture, multi-token predictions, and affordable pricing, it's a fantastic option for developers and business alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Let me know your thoughts on DeepSeek V3 in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.